Are you looking for fresh and radiant skin without the need for expensive products? Homemade face masks are the perfect solution. The benefits of home face masks. Deep nutrition. The natural ingredients in these masks contain essential vitamins and minerals that nourish your skin from the depths. Intensive moisturizing. Helps to retain moisture in the skin, making it soft and radiant. Gentle peeling. Removes dead skin cells and impurities, which contributes to the regeneration of the epidermis. Treatment of skin problems. Face masks can be customized to treat specific problems such as acne, dark spots, and dryness. Relaxation and pampering. Applying the mask on the face helps to relax and get rid of stress. Natural ingredients. The majority of the ingredients used in these masks are natural and safe for sensitive skin. Economical. You can prepare face masks at home using ingredients that you have available. Important tips. Choosing the right ingredients for your skin type. Before preparing any mask, determine your skin type, oily, dry, mixed, or sensitive, and choose the ingredients that suit it. Test on a small part of the skin. Before applying the mask to the entire face, test a small part to make sure there is no allergy. Regular use. For best results, use face masks regularly according to your skin type and problems.